how to make a video call on KakaoTalk. In today's guide, I'll be showing you how to make a video call on KakaoTalk. Let's get started. First, open the application on your device. Now once you are in, tap on the chat section right here, tap on it. You will see all the chat section right here. Now in order to do the video call, all you have to do is select the person you want to do the video call with and long press on their name. Now you will see many options right here. Just tap on video call option right here at the top. Tap on it. Now you'll need to access the cameras to tap on allow, and just like this, you just video called on KakaoTalk. Hope this helped. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Also, hit the notification bell icon so that you stay updated. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.